Today we'll show you how to clean up the print on your C-Series postage machine. Over time, this machine's printers can become clogged with coagulated ink, causing a smeared print, partial print, or removing the impression entirely. Fortunately, this can often be remedied in just a few simple steps. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you have a wet paper towel and a few cotton swabs. You want to make sure that the paper towel is lint-free, not a Kleenex or facial tissue, as the lint in those products can flake off and make your print problems worse. Any standard cotton swab is fine. I have some long-stemmed ones here, but a standard Q-tip should work just as well. We'll start by cleaning the printhead. In the upper right corner, press the icon shaped like a gear, and a menu will pop up. From the menu, select the option titled Mail Printer Maintenance. On the maintenance screen, select Install Printhead. Once prompted, lift the front cover and the print carriage will move forward. Once the carriage is forward, undo the green latch. Remove the ink cartridge from the print carriage and set it aside. Be sure to keep the bottom side up to keep ink from leaking. Once the ink cartridge is out, grab the gray tabs at the top of the printhead. Squeezing them inward, gently pull the printhead up and out of the machine. After removing the printhead, turn it over, and using a wet paper towel, remove any coagulated ink buildup. Reinstall the printhead and ink tank. Then, secure the green clip and shut the top lid. Back on the maintenance menu, select Print Test Pattern and run a piece through the machine. Compare your test results to the examples displayed on the machine's screen. If the test print is okay, you are finished. You can hit Done, and then the Home key in the upper left to resume running your mail. If your test print is not good, hit the Done key and continue on to the next step, cleaning the wiper blades. Now we'll select Install Printhead again from the maintenance menu. Lift the front cover and the print carriage will move forward. The printer carriage should now move freely. Without removing the ink cartridge, gently push it toward the back of the machine. Looking down into the machine, you'll see the wiper blade. Using a cotton swab, clean away as much buildup from the wiper blade as possible. When finished, shut the top lid. Back on the maintenance menu, select Print Test Pattern and run a piece through the machine. Compare your test results to the examples displayed on the machine's screen. If the test print is good, you are finished. You can hit the Done key and then the Home key in the upper left corner to resume running your mail. If your test print is not good, continue on to the final step by selecting Clean Printer Nozzle. The machine will now run a printer purge and will prompt you to run another test pattern when it is finished. If your test print comes out okay, you are done. If not, repeat this process 3 times, and if your results don't improve, call your local Pitney Bowes dealer for a replacement printhead or service call.